fun 650. Most interesting video. There'll be a crab. Honey. This first is Gracie. Pretends to have a fake laugh. Pretends to have a weird laugh. No, the friend that has a weird laugh. That's my laugh, bro. Oh my gosh, I love this guy so much. Bunks more. Is a friend. That's I have all of those, but that's not IQ. That's ADHD, bro. I'll just have an ADHD. Overthinking. Guess what that is? You know? Not blending. Let's just I'm gonna rewatch that ad. Overthinking. That's number 1. Not number 2, but sometimes in autism. Okay, that's also ADHD. Procrastination. Hyperfocus. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so 6. Oh my gosh, not saying the other word. 6 out of the one that is under 8 is false. I mean, it's just ADHD. The last one, but the other one's also autism. Doesn't really redeem your case here, but like So guys, I'm gonna just go through some of my videos. No. So, guys, the big oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, somehow, for some reason, I got banned from my Coastal server. I don't know. It's weird, but if I made a language for it, and I'm in the middle of doing this. But, bro, how do I have more videos than most YouTubers? Fucking 98 vids, 32 subs. I subs to all my subs, by the way. I check out a lot of their channels as well. Oh yeah, this. It's kind of better. I'm better at Suck it, losers. Oh wait, listen to this. Listen now to how fast I can press spacebar. Ready? Okay, that's my max for jitter clicking on spacebar. Whatever. Bull.